the wind of glory, wind of glory. Let it touch every soul. As you are watching this, as you are streaming this, Lord, the wind of glory speak on your behalf. Distance is not a barrier. Just be connected to this atmosphere of worship. I will never leave you unless you bless me. I will never leave you unless you bless me. I will never let you go unless you do something. Oh, Jesus, do something. Oh, Lord, do something.